In recent years, making money online has become an increasingly popular way for people to earn a living. With the rise of social media and digital platforms, there are now more opportunities than ever before to monetize your skills and expertise. However, with so many options available, it can be difficult to know where to start. In this step-by-step guide, we will provide you with everything you need to know to begin making money online. Step 1. Choosing the right platform. The first step to making money online is choosing the right platform. There are many different options available, including social media platforms, online marketplaces, and freelance websites. It's important to choose a platform that aligns with your skills and goals. For example, if you're a writer, you may want to consider starting a blog or writing for online publications. If you're a designer, you may want to explore platforms like Etsy or Redbubble to sell your products. Step 2. Building your brand. Once you've chosen a platform, the next step is to build your brand. This involves creating a strong online presence through social media, branding, and other marketing strategies. Your brand should reflect your personality and values and should be consistent across all platforms. Building a strong brand will help you attract followers and customers, and will ultimately lead to more opportunities to monetize your content. Step 3. Creating content. Creating content is the key to making money online. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or Instagram influencer, your content should be high quality, engaging, and relevant to your audience. This will help you build a loyal following and attract brands and advertisers who are interested in working with you. It's important to be consistent with your content creation and to always be on the lookout for new trends and opportunities. Step 4. Monetizing your content. Once you've built a strong online presence and created high-quality content, the next step is to monetize your content. There are many different ways to do this, including sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and selling your own products or services. It's important to choose the monetization strategy that works best for you and to always be transparent with your audience about sponsored content and affiliate links. Step 5. Scaling your business. Finally, once you've established yourself as a successful online entrepreneur, the next step is to scale your business. This can involve hiring a team, expanding your product line, or exploring new platforms and revenue streams. Scaling your business will help you reach new heights of success and profitability, and will allow you to continue growing and evolving as an online entrepreneur. Making money online is a viable and exciting option for anyone looking to earn a living from the comfort of their home. By following these steps, and by staying focused and committed to your goals, you can unlock your earning potential and start building a successful online business today. So what are you waiting for? Get started now and take control of your financial future.